Unsa man yun? Unsa man yun? Time after time is correct! Okay, listen. Oo, kay... Ano eh? Isang kayo yung pang-beauty labor. Okay, next song, DJ. Okay, next song, please.
And I feel if you really
I'll be yours forever.
Can I just try again?
Pero prepare for pictorial. Sayo-sayo man. Masapin lang. Alright! Before mag-ato sa buffet, please, mag-pick up. At sa man. Sige lang, gadayot, manulingan ring aside.
Ha?
This time.
All
Okay. DJ, music please.
Alright. Alright. 1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3, smile. Alright, thank you. Ay, closer po. Okay. Okay. 1,
Imuhang birthday celebrations, success. Kaya na siya na nag-correct, ikaw na siya ba? Version kayo na, oh.
Hello, Sam. Even though I cannot be there to celebrate with you on this very special day. Your today's celebration is not just your age, but being present in your special hands, and you have made.
And how I wish happy birthday, Jason. That's all. Have a good one. Bye.
Happy 60th birthday, Ate! 60-year-old butterfly. The Lord's restraint. Kung wala na, Ginoo, dilita, ka ibaw, sa mga nagpaghandlo sa negosyo, pamilya, sa mga bata, nagkasunog. Without the faith, hard work, kung saan ingog, inog, o kira ko, isa ka, uwi, ako na ka, strong ka, active ka, practice ka, saya, pangyon. We thank God for your life, your wisdom, your jokes, kung imong pagkakos baby. May the Lord continue to bless you with good health, long life, puso, paghihapon mo, sayaw, isang 60 na. Happy birthday, Aki. May God be the glory. Ayaw na pag-deny sa edad.
Hello everyone, family and friends. Today is a special celebration of our loveliness, Isel Carnival Hero. She is a businesswoman, a great mom, and a grandma, and of course, a wonderful wife. With all our greetings from our family to you, we wish you a happy birthday.
Ako na diha, babe.
Stay with Jesus always.
Ay,
And
basta.
please read Bible. Cheers. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Isel. Happy birthday to you, my honey.
God bless you with joy and peace on your birthday and throughout life.
Happy birthday, Ate. Today, on your special day, on your 60th birthday, we wish you all the best. May God continually bless you. My reminder for you, especially at this age, is that ayaw na palagi yung aim sa kalibutan ng utang. Importante is ang spiritual ng utang. And I'll thank you, Lord of God, in Psalms 37, that He says, delight yourself to the Lord, He will give you the desires of your heart. May you continue to be a good mother, a good grandmother, a good sister, a good auntie, good lula, sa inyong mga anak, suon, pamilya. We are happy in celebrating with you this 60th birthday. We're so sorry sa mga kabisi sa schedule, wala kami nakaabot. But we are with you in your joyful celebration of your birthday. Happy birthday, and we wish you all the best, good health, more blessing, and a faithful life for you.
Happy birthday, Ted. I wish you more, all the luck in life, and may God bless you always.
Again, happy birthday, Ate Isel.
Ate.